Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Bloom in Mythical Guardians. Bloom is a vital resource for enhancing your mythical companions and unlocking powerful abilities. We will cover 3 straightforward methods to consistently acquire this valuable item. By following these simple steps, you can ensure a steady supply of Bloom, helping you progress faster and strengthen your guardians. Let's dive right into the best strategies for collecting Bloom efficiently. One of the easiest ways to earn Bloom is by completing your daily quests and challenges. Many daily tasks offer Bloom shards as rewards, with some weekly challenges granting full Bloom items. Aim to complete at least 3 daily quests each day, which can yield up to 20 Bloom shards. These shards can then be combined to form complete Bloom, making this a reliable and consistent source for all players. Another excellent method involves farming specific zones known for higher Bloom drop rates. The Whispering Woods and the Crystal Caves are prime locations where certain elemental creatures drop Bloom shards upon defeat. Focus on defeating creatures like the verdant sprites in the woods or the geode golems in the caves. Spending about 30 minutes in these areas can net you between 15 and 25 Bloom shards, significantly boosting your collection. Finally, consider crafting Bloom or trading with other players. Once you gather 100 Bloom shards, you can craft 1 complete Bloom at the alchemist's table. Additionally, the in-game marketplace often has players selling Bloom for other common resources or gold. Keep an eye on market prices. Sometimes, trading can be a very efficient way to acquire Bloom quickly, especially if you have an abundance of other materials.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.